And welcome back everyone to another video my way. Today I am going to be unboxing the Earfun Air Pro 4 Plus. So that's it. And as you know, I make the videos my way. I'm not a professional. So it is a night video, and I don't really make the videos at night because I like doing it. I make the videos at night because that's when I have time, because I work in the day. So this is a 4. This is the Pro 4, I should say. And I made a video about it a few weeks ago. And it's still really good. So if you want to pick it up, if you don't need the latest and the greatest, and also if you want to save some cash, then you could definitely get it. Good ANC, good sound, and good battery life. So before I take a look at it, let's take a look at the specs. And the specs are quite impressive. I'm not going to be talking about it too much. The most important is probably that high-res and dynamic hybrid driver system. So I'm really curious about that one. Because with the 4, it's really nice. But what I said was I was missing a tiny little shine. So hopefully it's going to be a little bit shinier with this one, with the dual driver system. So first of all, let's take a look at what you get in the box. Oh, okay. Whoa, that's a good bit. All right. Your USB-C charging cable. Case is also wireless charging, and the buds itself. Now let's take a look at this first. Your manual. Some instruction. Okay, let's just put it aside. So, looking at the cases beside each other, this one open on top. And how do you open this one? Oh, it's upside down. Wow, that's really cool. Very cool. Okay, and let's take a look at the buds. As you can see, it's a black one. Let's just take a look at it beside this one. Oh, they look almost identical. Is this one a little bit longer? Okay. Okay, let's put this one aside. Just tear these off. So, this was like. Okay, so I'm gonna connect it up, and I'm gonna be doing some tests in the coming days. I'm gonna test ANC, music quality, battery life. I don't think I really need to test battery life. They're promising, I believe, what does it say? Yeah, 12 hours. So 54 hours in total. I think they're saying 12 hours without ANC and 8 hours with ANC. So I would say, to be on the safe side, just assume 11 hours and 7 hours with ANC. What I'm going to be testing is ANC and LDAC, because I think that's the most important combination. So I'm going to look into it in the coming days. Then I'm going to get back to you, talk about the specs some more, and tell you what I think about it. All right. And let's do a quick mic test. And I will be using these mics for the rest of the video. for you to get an idea what it's really like. It's Friday, and I've been using a buds for like almost 2 weeks now. I was hoping to have the review up and running tomorrow, but that's not going to work because I was busy. Next week is also going to be busy, so I don't believe it's going to work. So maybe in 2 weeks' time. That's why I am only uploading the unboxing at this moment. What I can tell you already is a little bit about the battery life. So if you are using ANC and LDAC, which is an important combination, you are going to get 4 hours and 45 minutes. And I was playing it at 55 to 60%. So hopefully that's a little bit helpful. What do you think about mics? Are they good? Let me know. And like I said, I'll try to have the review up and running in 2 weeks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the 4 Pro for you to see the difference. And then you could judge if the mics are an upgrade or not. And this is a 4 Pro. The buds are kind of empty because I forgot to charge the case. I don't believe it's going to affect the sound too much. So what do you think? Are the mics better on this one or are they an upgrade on the 4 Pro Plus? And as bonus, I got something else coming up. And just for comparison's sake, these are the Air 2 that were lying around, so I just decided to throw them in just as a little comparison. So what do you think? Is it any good? All right. See you in a review in a few weeks' time. And this is a 4 Pro. The buds are almost empty because I forgot to charge the charge.